Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force, and today we'll be taking a look at the Ulanzi Video Rig metal smartphone video rig. So remember to go check out the link in the description below, and don't forget to drop a like. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. So inside the package we get the video rig and a simple instruction card. For 60 quid, this may seem like you're not getting your money's worth, but when you take a look at the quality of this rig, you really are getting quite a bit. This product is made from solid metal. It may look quite light, but it really weighs quite a bit, and you can tell that it's very strong and durable. Apart from the strength of this rig, it's also able to integrate some useful filming tools, such as an LED light or a microphone. Sadly, these aren't supplied with the product, but they can be purchased separately. As well as this, the frame of the phone rig allows you to hold any mobile, ranging from quite large ones to extremely small ones. The lens hole can be moved to wherever it's required, and locked in place. The same goes for the component which holds the phone. This rig can also be attached to a tripod vertically or horizontally, using the screw holes in the metal frame. These are standard holes which are able to attach to the standard tripod screw mechanism. Along the frame there are also gaps to be able to feed cables into the phone if required, or you can even use the gaps to be able to get a grip of the frame if recording without a tripod. When recording without a tripod and using the rig as a handheld product, you're able to attach a neck strap around the frame, which can allow the product to hang freely around your neck. This is not supplied in the box, but it can be purchased separately. Now overall, the rig is certainly useful. But for £60, would I recommend buying it? Personally, I would say that this is by far one of the most durable phone rigs I've ever come across, and for that reason I can definitely see people using this. As well as that, there are also accessories which can be extremely useful alongside this product. It's a bit of a shame that they aren't supplied though. And honestly, I probably wouldn't buy this just because of the price, and I don't think it's worth that kind of money. I would much rather spend £20 or so on a rig which maybe isn't the same quality. You can go check out Ulanzi's products, because other than this overpriced rig, they actually do offer plenty of great cheap ones. They have a £16 rig which does pretty much the same as this rig does. And they also have plenty of other great filmmaking products to enhance your skills. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to go leave a comment and subscribe. Goodbye.